If you ever need help inside Google Calendar, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find Google Calendar help resources in just a few seconds. Whether you're trying to fix a setting, learn a feature, or find an answer to a calendar question, Google has built-in help options that make it easy to get support without leaving the app. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a question mark inside a circle icon. This is the Help menu, and it's where Google places support resources for calendar users. Go ahead and click that question mark icon. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From the list, select Help. This will open the Google Calendar help resources where you can browse common topics and find answers to different questions about using Calendar. On the Help page, you can click the topic that matches what you need help with. For example, you might want help with events, sharing calendars, notifications, settings, or syncing. If you already know what you're looking for, you can also use the search bar to search for your exact question or issue. This is a fast way to find step-by-step support articles without having to scroll through unrelated topics. Once you find the right help article, you can open it and follow the instructions provided by Google. And that's it. You now know how to access Google Calendar help resources whenever you need them. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you're stuck or want to learn more about a tool inside Calendar. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Google Workspace guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.